Good afternoon, friends. Are you working on an older Harley project that has no wiring whatsoever? Or maybe it's got some wiring that's in really poor shape. Or maybe the only wiring you got was for a headlight and nothing else. Or maybe it's been cut a million times. I've seen it all. One of the products I want to recommend is Gremlin wiring. And I picked this package up from them a little while ago, and I haven't had a chance to open it up yet. This is their builder's box. And this kind of gives you everything to build a bike or to wire a bike in the ways that you need. They have options for motorcycles that are kick only, for electric start, for pretty much any Harley Davidson, new and old, maybe not brand new, but a lot of the older stuff. I can't speak to what they have for new stuff, but I know what they have for old stuff. So as far as inside the box, you're going to have different types of this, toaster wire. That's what a lot of people call it. So it's got the old style sheathing on it in various different colors and configurations. They've also partnered with Lowbrow, so they do have some of their parts included. There's a toggle switch in here, all the connectors and fittings. Got a key switch if that's something that you need. Got the different mounts for that key switch if you're going to run a mount there. Got these cool breaker mounts. These look like a 3D printed product. They're kind of neat. They're by Hawthorne Company. Haven't necessarily heard of them, but I did see that was something that came with it. And of course you do have breakers, shrink tubing, plethora of zip ties, and a couple different wiring diagrams. So if you're trying to figure out how to do this, they give you a little roadmap on how to. For me, this is a super high quality product. I think it's great. I purchased this. I'm not partnered with them. They don't sponsor me, nothing like that. But I ordered it through them, through a recommendation through a buddy of mine. And I've seen their products online, and I've seen different people using their stuff. And I wanted to make a little highlight video and show that this stuff is great. It's going to be neat to wire this bike and have this thing on the road. So I wanted to say thank you to Gremlin Wiring and let you guys know what I'm using on this bike as far as wiring kit. Well, friends, thanks again for watching. Again, Gremlin Wiring for all your wiring needs for your vintage Harley Davidsons. If you're looking for a good product, this is it. Anyway, we'll catch you next time.